Today we're diving into how to start trading on Bybit, one of the leading cryptocurrency derivatives exchanges. Whether you're new to trading or just new to Bybit, this guide will get you started on the right foot. Start by signing up for the Bybit website. Provide your email address and create a strong password. Once you've registered, verify your account by completing the KYC. After setting up your account, it's time to deposit funds. Go to the Assets section and select Deposit. Choose your preferred cryptocurrency. Copy the deposit address provided, and transfer your funds from your external wallet. Once your deposit is confirmed, navigate to the Trade section. Here you'll find Bybit's trading interface, complete with charts, order books, and different types of orders, like market, limit, and conditional orders. To place a trade, select the trading pair. Enter the amount you want to trade, and choose your order type. Review your trade details, then click Buy Long or Sell Short to execute your order. Thanks for watching. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tutorials. See you next time.